Hey, what is up guys? My name is Brandon Robles and today I have a very exciting thing to share with you guys today. I didn't expect it to happen, but boy was I excited when it did. As you guys know, I do sell bulk books and that's what I primarily do right now. And I've never dealt with something like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. This book, I believe, very pretty book actually, from 1868, Grammar of Ornament, sold for $800. $800. This is my largest sale I have ever had since I've been reselling. And like I said, it's a very pretty book. And honestly, I didn't expect it to sell. This was from a deal a couple months ago and I cleared out an estate. And I didn't think anything of it. Honestly, I've dealt with like 1,800 books and some can be worth it, like decent, like even $80 I've sold for sure. Some definitely like a couple hundred, but I've never ran across one that I thought may be worth this much. So going into it, as I research my books on eBay and Amazon, I'm looking for what's sold primarily, but I am looking for if any have sold, if any are listed. And in this case, there were two others of this one listed. This is a popular book from my understanding, and the newer editions, they're okay. They don't go quite as much as this. But then I ended up doing further research and I found one I think listed for $1,200 and one was listed for either $900 or like $875 or something. So I listed it for $875. And again, I did get this a couple months ago, but I only just listed it towards late last month or maybe the beginning of this month. And as of right now, it's the 27th of August and I probably listed it around the 6th or something. So roughly 2.5 to 3 weeks that I've had it listed. And I had a watcher for it. And so I went ahead and set an offer. I sent an offer for $800 even, $75 off. I was like, it's worth so much, like the chance of someone willing to buy this, like that would be completely worth it. I'm completely down for it. So I went ahead and sent it along with all the other watchers that I had. I sent a bunch of offers. And a day later, I got a message from this person. They said they're interested in the book. And I'm like, no way. I'm like, yeah, okay, like they may be interested or whatever, but whatever. He just said something like, I'm interested in the book. It's pretty or whatever. I think they asked for some photos of the what's inside, maybe some illustrations or whatever else. And so I sent it over to him. Truly, honestly and truly not expecting anything. Again, because I've had people ask questions for expensive things and nothing follows through. But sure enough, they were talking about the price and they were very interested in the price. And out of nowhere, I'm listing items at my listing station. Boom, sale, $800. That notification came in and I'm like, oh my gosh. I was thrilled. Before this, my most expensive book sale was I think $415 or three, like somewhere in there, right? Like lower 400 or something. And that was fantastic. And that was my largest sale. But with this sale, I pretty close, basically doubled my largest sale I've ever had on selling on Amazon or eBay. And I was like, I couldn't believe it. Going into it, leading into it, as I was doing my research, again, I showed you guys, very pretty. It has like this gold theme to it. The trim of the pages, I don't know if you can see the reflection, but it's gold as well. There's like a gold reflection to it. It's really pretty, and I knew this book would be, it was just something, I don't know. Something told me like, list it. This book has a very pretty title page. The illustrations are amazing. I can see why something like this would go for so much. I've seen other ones, like I said, people listed it and it's not ended up really being true. Maybe like actually like a $30 book versus like a $600, because people don't really know what they're doing. But sure enough, I just gave it that shot simply because it was a niche subject, fantastic condition for the age, and I got that sale, and it's insane. I will be shipping it very soon. I may even do a video about what you should do if you get a sale, you know, that's very expensive, and the precautions you should take. This will be my first time doing it, but I'm looking to just be very safe, not cut any corners or anything. Make sure it gets to the buyer nice and safe and intact. So being a bookseller, I do Amazon a lot, like that's a majority of what I do. But it's very important that you check and see what you have and give it a little research on eBay. If I was only doing Amazon and not doing any eBay, I would have missed out on this $800 sale, let alone other sales that I've had that were hundreds of dollars or anything like that. Even down to the $50 sales. You're passing up on money. Really create that flow of monetizing books that you normally wouldn't sell just on Amazon. I certainly do what I can on Amazon, and the things that don't seem to be worth it on Amazon, I'm definitely researching them and seeing what I can sell them for. They may be not worth anything, but in this case, it certainly was. So make sure, do your little research about eBay. I think I will be coming out with a video soon, just giving a very basic layout of the eBay app, just in case you are not familiar with it. I did one with an Amazon seller app and people seem to like it, so I think I will do one with the eBay. Maybe you could find your own $800 book when you are dealing with all your books, and make sure you do not pass up on any money, especially when it's big money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I probably will give a little follow-up, like I said, about the shipping process, and it'll just be a basic rundown, what it takes to ship something like this out. So nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for me. Comment down below with any questions you may have, or DM me at @TheBrandonRobles on Instagram. And as I always say, guys, stay hustling, make it happen, go get that money.